Hey guys, it's okay again. It's been a long time since I've made a video, but well, I've been off work sick with the you-know-what. So this has just arrived in the post from Software Amusements, so I can zoom in here, who are located in up north from me in Banff. Scottish people. So I ordered this on eBay and it's literally just arrived. All I've done is taken the address off. So it's a game. You know, by the title, see what I've ordered. So this is Wiz Quest for the Magic Lantern. This is a 2 megabyte Amiga game. So I'm just going to look at the eBay listing. So it's a 1200 AJA 2 megabyte game. This was, it was £15.99 plus postage of £2.99. This is the signature edition, so well, first of all we got a Mutual Software Micro Series, I think this is a sticker. Then we've got two printed labels, disc 1 and disc 2, to put this on disc. I got a badge because I think it's part of the signature series, and on this pen drive is the game. So here we go, switch off your Amiga, introduction. So, and the idea of this is you're supposed to put a floppy disk in that. Let me see if I've got a floppy handy. Who says all Amiga owners don't have original games? As low as 3, disc 1 and 2. And then the idea was you get to keep that. That's really cool. I like that a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing. I'll maybe do an impressions video at a later date. Oh, it's got an end label. Oh, see, that encourages me to buy more. 004. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Well, it wasn't buy, so I forgot about this. It was in the padded envelope. It's a little poster. Wiz in the quest for the magic lantern. So that's what else comes with it. So this really is the end of it. Thanks guys, take care, bye bye.